Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and sanitize your washing machine using 3 simple ingredients: baking soda, vinegar, and bleach. This should be done every 1 to 3 months to keep things fresh and germ-free, because your washer works really hard.
He worked really hard, Grandma.
So do washing machines.
Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this cleaning process: 2 cups of baking soda, which is actually a small pound box, 2 cups of white vinegar, and 3/4 cups of bleach. You can also use washing machine cleaning tablets if you happen to have them on hand. First up, let's tackle the washing machine with baking soda. If your filter is accessible, you can remove your filter and clean it prior to starting this. Okay, let's tackle the washing machine with baking soda. Start by making sure you have no clothes or items in the washer. Measure out 2 cups of baking soda and pour it directly into the washing drum. Now, set your washing machine to the sanitizer clean cycle. If your washer doesn't have that setting, use a wash setting that has hot water. Doing this will help eliminate odors and residue. Once that cycle is complete, it's time for us to use vinegar. Measure out 2 cups of white vinegar and pour it into the washing machine's detergent dispenser. Set the washing machine to run a clean or sanitize cycle for a second time. This vinegar will cut through any remaining grime and disinfect the drum. After the vinegar cycle, we'll move on to using bleach for sanitization. Very important, make sure you thoroughly rinse the measuring cup after the vinegar and before you put bleach into it. If you don't, there's a potential that those 2 chemicals could mix and cause harmful gases that can hurt you. Both of these chemicals are household cleaners and they're good in their own way, but we can't mix them together. So make sure you thoroughly rinse that measuring cup before you put bleach into it. We're going to pour 3/4 cup of bleach into the washing machine drum, and we're going to add 1 gallon of water to it. Now we're going to run another clean or sanitize cycle. Bleach is effective in killing germs and bacteria, and it leaves your washer fresh and clean. Once the bleach cycle is done, we're going to take a soft cloth or a sponge, or in this case a toothbrush also, and scrub the inside of the area where there's any leftover residue on the washing machine seal. You know, you can see in this one there's still some mold or mildew in the rubber door seal. Scrubbing it with a soft cloth isn't cleaning it all off, so I am going to use the toothbrush we talked about and scrub that area. The idea is to get this as clean as we possibly can, and once we get it spotless, it'll be much easier to clean it in the future. Now we want to take out the detergent drawer and wipe that down, as well as the area the drawer slides into. Another tip I can give you to help keep your washing machine clean is to leave the door open when you're done with a load of wash. This helps prevent mold and mildew too. There you have it. Your washing machine is now clean and sanitized using just baking soda, vinegar, and bleach. Don't forget to subscribe for more home tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.